Hi guys, welcome back to our channel where we showcase Filipino, Mexican, and other international dishes. We're a mixed family. I am Mexican and my husband is Filipino, and we want to share the fusion of our two rich cultures through our love of good food and more. Today, we're going to be making Tapsilog. It consists of three things: marinated beef strips, garlic fried rice, and egg over easy. This combination is so delicious, and whoever invented it really deserves a gold medal. Can't wait to share this recipe with you. But before we begin, do me a favor. Please hit the subscribe and like buttons below and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on new delicious recipes to try. This will allow us to continue to share our family's favorite recipes. Thank you so much for your support. Let's begin. First, we're going to massage the meat in 1 cup of vinegar to soften it. I use vinegar because it contains acid that helps break down the protein, making it juicy and tender. For this dish, I recommend using beef tenderloin, sirloin, or ribeye because those are some of the most tender cuts of beef. Just make sure you slice them into thin strips. On the next few slides, you will see the other marinade ingredients and their exact measurements. Next, we're going to massage the meat so that it will absorb all the other ingredients. We will let the marinade cure in the fridge for at least 12 hours, and in my case, I usually leave it in the fridge overnight. The longer it marinates, the more tender and juicy the beef will become. And now it's time to fry the beef tapa. We will heat up 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and fry the meat until all sides have browned. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you can get notified of new delicious recipes that you can try. This will also help the algorithm for YouTube to suggest other channels with similar content that may benefit you. Now we're going to prepare the garlic rice. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to put 4 cups of water into a pot and let it come to a boil. Then we're going to add 2 cups of rice. Cover the pot and set the heat on high. Once it's come to a boil once again, we reduce the heat to the lowest low and let it steam for 20 minutes. Make sure not to uncover the pot for the entire cooking time. In a separate pan, saute the garlic. Once the garlic is roasted till it's golden brown, add the steamed rice and add salt to taste. We then stir everything together until well combined and keep stirring to prevent the rice from sticking to the pan and until the rice grains have separated and the garlic is evenly spread. And there you have it, delicious Filipino Tapsilog. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you don't miss out on our new recipes that you can try. This will also help the algorithm for YouTube to suggest other channels with similar contents that may be of interest to you. If you like this dish, please click the like button and share with family and friends so they too can enjoy it. And if you want to try our other delicious recipes, simply click on one of the thumbnails on the screen. See you at the next video.